What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video, brand new educational motivational video on the channel. And today I just want to start off by saying thank you guys for 9,000 subscribers, which is really something I never thought I would see one day. Just being able to do what I love the most, being so passionate about something, and then just sharing that passion with the rest of the world and being successful, or even a little bit successful. Just sharing what you love doing the most is really one of the best feelings. And I'm really grateful for all of you guys, really thankful. um, I just want to say that the best part about it, or the part that matters the most to me, is being able to share all the knowledge that I have with all of you guys. And because since it's the thing that I love the most, and being able to share the thing that you love the most is really one of the best feelings ever, especially if it's knowledge. And when you are sharing knowledge with the rest of the world, that really is, and you see people and you see that knowledge affecting people's lives in a good way, in a positive way, is really one of the best feelings ever. So really thankful, because you guys allow me to be on this platform, and you guys give me a chance by watching my videos, asking me questions, commenting suggestions. It really is because of you guys, and you guys make it possible for me and motivate me to come back and keep uploading these videos. So really thankful to you guys. And today I want to show you guys something, since I kind of want to thank you guys and consider this as a as something that I'm giving back to you. It's absolutely free. You can do this on your own, and you can be making the same amount of money that I am. So if you're on my Instagram, you already know what I'm going to share. Please go ahead and click on the link in the first comment that is pinned. That is the link to my Instagram. Go follow me on there. I post regularly on there, on my stories, and I'm answering questions that you guys ask. And if it's not the first comment in the comment section, then it'll be the first link in the description box. So please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. So I took two trades on 2 different days, which was yesterday and today, and I thought maybe I should make a quick video and show you guys how I did it, right? So yesterday I took a trade on GBP NZD and made $80. Today I took a trade on GBP Australian dollar, made $85. So around 56, 57 pips here, and around 60, 61 pips on this trade, which is really good, considering it's a one trade, and I'm achieving my daily goal more than my daily goal. So yesterday it took me a couple of hours to get there, not gonna lie. As you can see, I took the trade at almost 6 and almost 5 hours, you can say. But today it took me like only 40, yeah, you can see 4 past 5, and then just 42 minutes into the trade, and I make this profit. So it was really good. But the time doesn't matter really, as long as it takes for you to come out positive or come out profitable is the thing that matters the most. So the first trade, GBP NZD, how and why did I take it? So if you go to my channel, previous videos on Forex, you will see a video called Divergence, or something on Divergence. That is the exact strategy that I used here yesterday on GBP NZD. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. Let me just go ahead and delete this. Okay. So yesterday when I took the trade, I was on this candle. This candle was about to close, and this candle was about to begin. So what I noticed on this candle was that starting from this candle to this candle, which was about to close, 4 hours. So as you guys know, I trade mostly 4 hours. So 4-hour time frame, what do you guys see from this candle to this candle? Equal highs, right? Equal or higher, equal highs or higher highs. But that is the price. What about the indicator on balance volume, or the OBV? Starting from this candle to this candle, the price is making equal or higher highs, but on the indicator it's making lower highs. So I open my cheat sheet which I show in my other divergence video. So price is making equal or higher highs, but the indicator is making lower highs right here. Let me just close this one. Okay. So as you can see, equal highs or higher, and the indicator is making lower highs. So this is bearish regular, which is a really strong divergence. So as you can see, at the close of this candle, I entered the trade exactly over here when this candle closed. Exactly over here, you can see the candle opened up. I went into a little bit of drawback, not that much. I think 1 pip or 2 pips, that's it. And then boom, it hit my target point or take profit. So actually, I was monitoring this trade manually before going to sleep. So I closed it manually. I remember I was really close to my target. I didn't want the market to hit my take profit and reverse, but I had set it. As you can see, my take profit is set. I'm learning from my mistakes, so I'm not leaving my trades open. I'm setting my stop loss. I'm setting my target point. So sorry. So as you can see, I closed this in $80 profit. So again, what strategy? Now, of course, I could have waited and could have set my target point on this support over here. But like I said, if you want to make consistent profits in this market, you just get into this market and you get out, and that's it. You don't wait for the market to give you more and more and more. That's just greediness, and that's where you start losing money. So divergence. From this candle, you can see one touch and second touch. On the second touch of this trend line, I took the trade and instantly went into profit. 4 hours candle, instantly went into profit. This was my first trade. Now the second trade, which I took today, really interesting, guys. Really interesting. GBP odd, no divergence, nothing, to be honest. And you can see my stop loss and my target point or my take profit are also set over here. So what did I see that made me want to take this trade? So GBP Australian dollar, right? Okay. So I took the trade right over here on this, not really exactly on this resistance, but I took the trade on the 1 minute time frame. This is why it's really interesting, because in my divergence video, I think I explain a shape called the head and shoulders, right? And what the head and shoulders shape is, it's this specific type of shape right here. Right here. There you go. This is a head and shoulder shape. So what happens is that the market is in a bullish trend or uptrend, really strong, then comes down, makes a small pullback, and then goes up, creates the head. Now in hindsight, or if you're backtesting, or if you're in the present, you wouldn't know that the market is making a head and shoulders or not. How do you know it? After making the head, the market is gonna fall directly to this shoulder line. We call this area or this region the shoulder line or the neck region. So the market, after creating the head, is boom, no upwards, nothing. No, it's not gonna consolidate, nothing. It's just gonna drop. It's just gonna drop so fast to the neck region, and then boom, it's gonna reverse from there. So what happened over here is, as you can see, let me just delete this neck region right here, and look at this. Look at this. The market, starting from here, went into an uptrend, created this shoulder right here. Actually, you know what? Let me make it like this. Okay. So the market created this shoulder right here, and then created the head. Now, remember, I'm on the 1 minute time frame, right? So what happens next? Look at this, guys. The market just boom, just drops down to this level right here, which is the neck region in this case. So boom, the market just drops here, and then after it's created the head, it goes up. You can see it came back up to the head once again, so it's okay. Sometimes it's gonna make double heads, triple heads, double shoulders, triple shoulders. So don't get worried about it, don't get confused. It's gonna keep doing that. It's just how market takes money. It's just how they're gonna take your it's just how they're gonna hit your stop loss and then boom, just go in the opposite direction. So you can see the market came up here again, came down here again, came up here again, and then boom, just the market just dropped to my take profit level was actually here on this support. I could have waited for this support, but I didn't want to risk it. So around 60 pips on this trade, which is really decent. I entered the trade somewhere over here. I think it was on this candle right here. So if you look on TradingView, it's going to tell you that the amount of pips was more than 60, 92 pips, but that's not the case. On my broker, the amount of pips that I caught was 60, exactly 60 point something. So so that's it, guys. Nothing fancy, no crazy strategy, nothing really. It's just so simple. And one thing I want to tell you guys is market is making these shapes all the times. Double tops, double bottoms, M's, W's. I don't really trade those shapes. I only like to trade the head and shoulders, because the double bottoms, double tops, triple bottoms, triple tops are not that accurate, and it's more riskier than this. But the head and shoulders, once it's formed, you can tell easily that this is a head and shoulders pattern. So this is what I like to trade, and this is how I'm mixing things up throughout my days, taking different trades. And this is what you can do as well. Like I say always, the right knowledge is what matters the most. Not knowledge, the right knowledge. Now, I have so much knowledge in my brain, you can say. It's just stored in there, right? But to be honest, you can say out of that 90%, 95%, I'm only using 5% of the knowledge, because that's really what matters when you are in real markets, not demo accounts, not practice accounts. No, when you're using your real money, this is what matters the most. So once more, guys, just for the sake of motivation, you can see $160 in 2 days, which is not bad at all. I'm just starting using a small account, and this is where I am in the beginning, and this is where I am making constant profits. So it's not bad at all. You could be making more than $10. You could be making 20. You could be making $5. It doesn't matter. What matters is you keep making these profits consistently in the long run. Not just you make $80 one day and the next day you're losing $100. That doesn't make sense. You could make 80, you could lose 40. That's fine. You are still up 50%. You're still in profit 50%. That's consistent money. That's consistent profits. And then you come back the next day, you make 50, you make 40. You recover your loss, and you're making a little bit above or more than your previous day's loss. So whatever it is, even if it's $1 growth, it really matters. You're making $1 every day for the rest for 30 days, and you're making $30. But it's better than making $30 every day and then losing 60 or 90 after 1 or 2 days. So that's wiping all of your profits. That's not being profitable in the long run or consistent profits. So like I say, it's okay to lose. You're going to lose. I lose all the time, guys. But the main goal is to be profitable in the long run. That's what we are here for. So keep making profits in the long run, guys. That's what's going to help you become an independent trader or full-time trader for the rest of your lives, if that's what you're looking for. But until then, keep practicing and keep watching my videos. It's free education for everybody. You don't have to pay anything for it. And yeah, really just keep motivating yourself. And I'll keep making these videos. I'll keep motivating myself and coming back for you guys. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep showing the amazing support and love that you guys show always. And yeah, that's it. Peace.